Welcome to the Best Picks. The best 4-channel amp wiring kit is probably one of the most crucial components for a high-quality car audio system, ensuring your amplifier receives the power and grounding it needs to perform optimally. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and installing the right kit for your specific needs, covering everything from gauge selection to proper grounding techniques, and help you achieve the best possible sound quality from your car stereo system. Number 5. InstallGear 4-gauge amp wiring kit. Get ready to experience superior sound. Let's explore everything included in this comprehensive kit. It boasts 17 feet of oxygen-free copper power wire for a clean and efficient power supply to your amplifier. This ensures optimal performance. The kit also includes 3 feet of black OFC power wire for the ground connection, completing the power circuit. This 17-foot RCA cable transmits high-quality audio signals from your head unit to your amplifier with a built-in remote wire for added convenience. It features 17 feet of 14-gauge speaker wire to connect your amplifier to your speakers, ensuring a powerful and clear sound. You'll also find a mini ANL fuse holder with fuse, copper lugs, remote wire, rubber grommet, and zip ties, everything you need for a professional installation. What we like. If you prioritize high-quality materials for superior sound transmission and durability, this is the kit for you. It includes everything you need for a seamless installation, and the soft touch wire makes the whole process easier. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly option, this is a great choice. What people say. Kit comes with everything you need for your average install. The wire is flexible and of good quality. The fuse holder includes a sufficiently sized fuse, I believe it was 120A, for running anything you would want to run off a 4GA wire. The OFC kit is worth the extra cost over cheap copper-clad aluminum wire kits that don't flow power nearly as well. Worked great when putting in a sub box for my 1998 GMC Sierra. Easy setup. This kit is so heavy-duty, the packaging cannot hold the weight of the wiring. I am running 1600 WRMS with no issues at all. Number 4. SKAR Audio SKAR 4ANL CCA Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a clean and efficient amplifier installation. It's perfect for systems up to 1200 watts. It features durable, copper-clad aluminum wiring for superior conductivity and flexibility. The matte blue color adds a custom touch. With 17 feet of power cable and 3 feet of ground cable, it offers plenty of reach for most installations. You'll have enough to work with. The included ANL fuse holder and 100 amp fuse protect your system from power surges. Safety is a top priority. It comes with everything you need: speaker wire, RCA interconnects, and installation accessories. You won't need to buy anything else. This kit simplifies the installation process, saving you time and effort. Get your system up and running quickly. What we like. If you're building a high-wattage audio system, this kit can handle it. The flexible CCA wire ensures easy routing, and the included high-amperage fuse provides essential protection. If you need a kit that can support powerful amplifiers, this is the one for you. What people say. Comes complete with everything I needed, and I even have extra cable left. Sure, it's copper-wrapped aluminum, but for lower budget system and lower wattage amps, this is perfect. Used in my boat, love the SKAR quality. Used in a Mustang and in a Ranger for subs, and this kit works great. Got everything you need for either a speaker amp setup or a subwoofer setup. Number 3. Pyle PLAM 40 Car Stereo Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a professional amplifier and subwoofer installation. It's designed for ease of use and a perfect fit. It includes 20 feet of 4-gauge red power wire and 4 feet of 4-gauge black ground wire for a secure connection. These are heavy-duty cables built to last. You also get 20 feet of 16-gauge blue remote turn-on wire and 20 feet of 12-gauge speaker wire. Everything is color-coded for simple installation. A 20-foot stereo RCA audio cable and 6-foot split loom conduit are included for a clean and professional installation. This ensures your audio system looks great. The kit comes with various connectors, including ring and spade terminals, butt connectors, cable ties, and a grommet. Everything you need for a complete installation is right here. A water-resistant inline fuse holder with a 60A fuse protects your system. It's suitable for cars, boats, and other vehicles. Enjoy peace of mind with this added safety feature. What we like. This kit boasts impressive cable lengths, perfect for larger vehicles or complex installations. It also comes with a wide array of connectors and accessories, saving you time and money. If you value convenience and a comprehensive package, this is the ideal option. What people say. It makes no sense to spend $60 to $80 on the same thing. I'm really pleased about this package because it also left me plenty of extra goodies on the side. Got everything installed without too much trouble and got the sub working, and it works just as well as it did before in her previous car and sounds great now. Number 2. Kicker 46CK 4 Amp Kit. Get ready to experience the power and convenience of this complete amp installation kit. It has everything you need for a clean and efficient setup. It boasts 17 feet of heavy-duty 4AWG blue power wire to handle even the most demanding amplifiers. This ensures reliable power delivery to your system. A 4-foot 4AWG gray ground wire provides a solid connection, and the included fuse holder protects your system from overloads. The kit includes a 17-foot 16-gauge remote wire for easy amplifier control and 16.4 feet of high-quality RCAs for pristine audio signal transmission. You'll also find 12 feet of 12AWG speaker wire for your speakers, along with zip ties and connectors for a professional installation. It's all here for a seamless setup. With everything neatly packaged, this kit provides all the necessary components for a complete amplifier installation. Enjoy the ease and convenience. What we like. Kicker is known for its reliable car audio products, and this kit is no exception. The included high-quality RCA cables ensure pristine signal transfer, while the durable components guarantee long-lasting performance. If you want a kit from a trusted brand with superior sound quality, choose this one. What people say. All OFC 100% silver tint copper wire. Real AWG gauge and at a better price than Rockford Fosgate installs. This is the best wiring you can get for your stereo system install, and for the price it's even better. Some of these same kits sell for $150, which is ridiculous in my opinion. This is a must-have for your system, as I am not a fan of the copper-clad aluminum wiring, which cannot handle the wattage that OFC can. High-quality kit, but the power cable might be cutting it close for those in larger vehicles. On my 2014 GMC Sierra I had just enough power wire to get it to the rear seat area. Depending on where I mount my amp I may need to extend it a hair actually. For a smaller vehicle it's a great kit though. The conductors of the wires look solid, the insulation feels high-end, and it comes with basically everything you need. The pre-crimped ground wire is super helpful too, as that's one thing I can't easily do at home. Number 1. RECOIL RCK44 Amplifier Kit. Get ready to experience superior sound quality with the RECOIL RCK44. This complete kit provides everything you need for a seamless amplifier installation. It's a comprehensive kit, including all the necessary cables and connectors for a professional installation. No need to source parts separately, everything is included. This kit features a 17-foot oxygen-free copper RCA cable, ensuring a pristine audio signal transfer. Enjoy clear, crisp sound with minimal signal loss. The 17-foot 4-gauge CCA power and ground wires deliver optimal power transfer to your amplifier. It's built to handle high-power systems with ease. With 65 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire, plus an ANL fuse holder, ring terminals, and zip ties, it has everything you need for a clean and secure installation. It's designed for a perfect fit. This kit simplifies the installation process, saving you time and effort. All the components are high quality and easy to use. What we like. This kit offers a premium audio experience with its oxygen-free copper RCA cables for crystal clear sound. The high-quality CCA power wire ensures efficient power delivery, and the complete kit includes everything you need for a professional installation. If you are looking for a high-end kit with superior sound quality and a complete package, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete and hassle-free installation. The wires are high quality, thick, and durable, ensuring a solid connection for optimal sound performance. The instructions were easy to follow, and the included components like the RCA cables, power wire, ground wire, and fuse holder made the process smooth and efficient. One standout feature of this kit is the fuse holder. It's robust, well-designed, and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.